main concepts in pair of linear equations in two variables. If a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, be any two pair of linear equations. Then we will discuss the three concepts. What is given by this one means, here the first condition, first one is the coefficient of x of first pair of linear equation. That means a1 by a2 does not is equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 does not is equal to b1 by b2 means then it is a consistent, it is a consistent, is a consistent. And it is consistent. When it is consistent means the lines are intersecting lines. It has a, then it has, it is a consistent means has a intersecting lines. It has a intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. These are the intersecting lines in a graph. Here the second condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 does not is equal to c1 by c2. And it means it is a inconsistent. Inconsistent. When it is a inconsistent means it has a parallel lines. It has a parallel lines. These of the form, these two are parallel lines. Again, finally, the last condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Then it means it is a consistent or dependent lines. Dependent lines, then it has a coincident lines. These are the coincident lines. Entire chapter depend on these three equations only. Once again, we will observe in this one, a1 by a2 does not is equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2 means it is a consistent. When given both equations are consistent means it has a intersecting lines of the form this one. Okay, if the both equations does not satisfy this equation, now I am going to this equation, that is this condition, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 does not is equal to c1 by c2. Then it is a inconsistent. When it is a inconsistent means the graph, it has a parallel lines. Otherwise, finally we have to take a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 means it is a consistent or dependent. Then the graph is coincidental lines. These are the coincidental lines. Students, these 3 points will be noted on your mind. I will explain these type of problems. Solve the following system of equations. Solve the following system of equations. That is, first one is x minus 2y is equal to 0, and also 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Listen. Solve the following system of equations by using these two conditions we have to write. Here we will observe that solution is x minus 2y is equal to 0, and also 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. But this we have to written as 1 into x plus of minus 2 into y plus 0 is equal to 0. This we have to compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. There a1 must be 1, b1 must be minus 2, c1 must be 0. And also I have to take 3x plus 4y plus of minus 20 is must be equal to 0. This we have to compare with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. When a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 4, c2 is equal to minus 20. We have to check it the three condition. First we have to check it the condition a1 by a2 does not is equal to b1 by b2. When does not it satisfies, now I am going to second condition. Second condition also does not satisfy, now I am going to third condition. First I have to take the first condition. First condition is a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2, where a1 is 1 by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 4. 1 by 3 does not is equal to minus 2 by 4. Minus 2 by 4, that becomes minus 1 by 2. 1 by 3 does not is equal to always minus 1 by 2. Always minus 1 by 2. When it is of the form a1 by a2 does not is equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 does not is equal to b1 by b2 means given equations, given equations is a consistent and it has a intersecting lines, and it has a intersecting lines. We follow the graph, the given lines are intersecting lines. We have to follow by using these two equations. Here first I have to take x minus 2y is must be is equal to 0. Then 2y is equal to x, and also y we have to take x by 2. And also we have to take the second condition is, what is the second condition means 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Plus 3x becomes that side, plus becomes minus, that we have to written as 4y is equal to 20 minus 3x. And also I have to take y is equal to 20 minus 3x by 4. We have to take both y values Let we have to take any some x value satisfies then y value, then given graph is draw. We have to take here the first condition is x, second condition is y is equal to x by 2. After we have to take the point is x comma y, but first we have to take x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, we have to substitute in this one. Y is equal to 0 by 2. 0 by 2 that becomes 0. That means y is also 0. Here the point is 0 comma 0. And also we have to take second one. 1 we have to take 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 0 0.5. Okay. Decimal values also take, but simple values we have to take in this one, in this graph. Here we have to take, let x is equal to 2. Let x is equal to 2 means y is equal to 2 by 2. 2 by 2 that means their value is 1. That the point, given point is 2 comma 1. And also we have to take, let x is equal to 3. 3 by 2 becomes 1.5. Next we have to take, let x is equal to 4. 4 by 2 becomes 2. That means here the point is 4 comma 2. And also another we have to take, let x is equal to 6, y is equal to 6 by 2 becomes 3, but we have to written as 6 comma 3. These are the given points of a first linear equation. And also we have to take the second equation. Second equation is y is equal to 20 minus 3x by 4. That means here we have to take x, this we have to take y is equal to whatever the value means 20 minus 3x by 4. Finally we have to take the value x comma y. Here first we have to take, let x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 20 minus 3 into 0. 3 into 0 becomes 0. 20 by 4 means that is 5. 0 comma 5 we have to take. 1 becomes 20 minus 3, that is equal to 17. 17 does not divisible by 4, otherwise we have to take 2. 3 to 6. 3 to 6, 20 minus 6 becomes 14. 14 by 4 is equal to 2 sevens, 2 twos. 7 by 2 becomes 3.5. That we have to take 3.5. That we have to written as 2 comma 3.5. And also we have to take 3. 3 3 is 9. 20 minus 9 is equal to 11. 11 does not divisible by 4, otherwise we have to take 4. 3 fourths 12. 20 minus 12 becomes 8. 8 by 4 becomes 2. That we have to take 4 comma 2. After we have to take, let x is equal to 6. 3 into 6 18. 20 minus 18 becomes 2. 2 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4 becomes 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. That we have to write in this one 0.5. This we have to written as 6 comma 0.5. Both linear equations values are follows. We have to draw a graph. We have to draw a graph. This is for only rough work. We have to find out the value of y. And also I have to take the graph. Given graph is this may be x-axis, this is x dash, this becomes y, this is y dash. But we will observe in x coordinate values. Here 0, 2, 4 and 6. We will observe in this one 0, 2, 4, 6. We have to write scale. Scale on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit we have to take. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit we have to take. We have to write that scale. X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units we have to take. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to, we have to check it there, y-axis 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3.5, 2 and 0.5. Okay, both values are less than 5, that we have to take 1 unit only. 1 unit, we have to draw the graph. That means here plot the points. First plot the x-axis. This is positive x-axis. This is becomes 2. This is 4. This is 6. This is 8. This becomes 0. This we have to take -2, -4, -6, and also -8 we have to take. We have to take on y-axis. Must be only 1 unit. This becomes 1 unit. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Otherwise, we have to take this is 5. Negative y-axis we have to take. This is -1. This is -2. This is -3. This is -4. This is -5. We have to take. But here we have to take the first linear equation is, what is that means? X minus 2y is equal to 0. It follows that first point is, pair of point is 0, 0. We have to take 0, 0. That must be this point. 0, 0 is must be a origin. And also we have to take second one is 2, 1. On x-axis we have to take 2. Y-axis we have to take 1. This is 2. This is 1. This is the given point 2, 1. After we have to take 4, 2. This is on x-axis 4. Y-axis is 2. That must be 4, 2. And also next one is 6, 3. This is 6 and this is 3. That we have to plot 6, 3. This is 6. This is 3. This is 6, 3. We have to draw this line. This is the line, name it as x minus 2y is equal to 0. And also we have to take the another line. What is the another line? This is the another line, 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. We have to take, the first point is 0, 5. On x-axis we have to take 0. Y-axis we have to take 5. 0, 5. This is 0, 5. And also I have to take on x-axis is 2, y-axis must be take 3.5, that is 2, 3.5. 3.5 is lies in 3 and 4. 3.5 is lies in this place. 2, 3.5 must be plotted in this place. After we have to take, this is the point 2, 3.5. This is the point 0, 5. And also I have to take next point is 4, 2. This is 4, this is 2. Must be plotted. This is the 4, 2. Otherwise I have to take 6, 0.5. This is 6. This 0.5 is lies in 0 and 1. This must be a 0.5. We have to take this place. This is name it as 0, so I'm sorry, 6, 0.5. We have to draw a line by using a scale. This is the given line, name it as 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Both lines touches at the point 4, 2 when the lines are intersecting. Here also as follows, given equations are consistent, and also given condition is a1 by a2 does not is equal to b1 by b2 means it has a intersecting lines. The given graph also plot their intersecting lines. Here also I have to draw some points. This is 0 comma 0, name it as. This is 2 comma 1, this is 4 comma 2, finally this is 6 comma 3. These types of graphs is most important for 4 marks, so many times asking in public examinations. I will explain next one. That one is x plus y is equal to 2, and also 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. Solve the system of equations. Solve the system of equations. Listen, this also follows by using solve the system of equations. System of equations, so I have to find out in this one. We will observe in this one. First, I have to write this one. 1 into x plus 1 into y plus of minus 2 becomes 0. This we have to compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, where a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to minus 2. Otherwise, the second condition is 2 into x plus 2 into y plus of minus 4 becomes 0. This we have to compare with a2x plus b2y plus c2 becomes 0. This have to compare with a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 2, c2 is equal to minus 4. That means here first I have to check it the conditions. First condition is a1 by a2 does not is equal to b1 by b2. Have to check it. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 does not satisfy this condition. Otherwise I have to take the second condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 does not is equal to c1 by c2. That becomes 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to minus 2 by 4. Minus and minus becomes cancelled. 2 ones, 2 twos. Here also does not satisfy. Finally, we have to satisfy a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Have to write this condition. That is here. First, I have to take 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to minus 2 by 4. Minus and minus becomes cancelled. 2 ones, 2 twos. This I have to written as 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Both are equal means this I have to compare with a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. It satisfies a third condition. Satisfies a third condition means given equation is a consistent or are dependent. Consistent or dependent. Okay, here satisfies a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, and given equation is a consistent or dependent means it has a coincidental lines. We have to draw the graph. we have to draw the graph means both equations can be converted into y value. That becomes, here first I have to take x plus y becomes 2, that is y is equal to x minus 2. So I'm sorry, 2 minus x I have to take, that is first I have to take x, y is equal to 2 minus x, and also the order pair of x comma y we have to take. Here the second condition, what is the second condition is 2x plus 2y is equal to 4, where 2y is equal to 4 minus 2x, y is equal to 4 minus 2x by 2. That we have to write the second condition, x, y is equal to 4 minus 2x by 2. Finally, we have to take x comma y. That means, here first I have to take the values of x. Finally, we have to find out the value of y. Here first I have to take x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 minus 0 becomes 2. The point is 0 comma 2. And also I have to take that x is equal to 1, 2 minus 1 becomes 1, that we have to written as 1 comma 1. Otherwise I have to take 2, 2 minus 2 becomes 0, that is the given point is 2 comma 0. Finally we have to take let x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 becomes minus 1, that we have to take 3 comma minus 1. We will observe in this one, here also I have to take that x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 into 0 becomes 0, 4 minus 0 becomes 4, 4 by 2 is equal to 2, that is the point is 0 comma 2. Otherwise we have to take let x is equal to 1, 2 ones 2, 4 minus 2 becomes 2, 2 by 2 is equal to 1, 2 by 2 is equal to 1, it also satisfies. Here we will observe, here we have to take 1, 2 into 1 becomes 2, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, 2 by 2 is equal to 1, that is 1 comma 1. Otherwise we have to take let x is equal to 2, that means 2 2's 4, 4 minus 4 becomes 0, 0 by 2 is also 0, that is also 2 comma 0. Both equations are same. This we have multiplied by 4 means coincidental lines we have to form. We have to take some other equations also. We have to take some more. Here 2, 4, 6. That's all. Here we have to take 2. 4 minus 4 becomes 0. 0 by 2 is equal to 0. That we have to take 2 comma 0. Otherwise we have to take 4. 2 4s 8. Minus 8 my plus 4 becomes minus 4, minus 4 by 2 becomes minus 2, that is equal to 4 comma minus 2. Otherwise we have to take 6, 6 to 12, 12 minus 4 becomes minus 8, minus 8 by 2 is equal to minus 4, that is equal to 6 comma minus 4. These are the both conditions of given equation. We have to draw their graph. The order pair of variables is given of first equation, and also the order pair of values of second equations also given. We have to draw a graph. This is x-axis, this is negative x-axis, this is y-axis, this is negative y-axis. We will observe in x-axis, the x-axis values is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Here the x-axis values is 0, 2, 4 and 6. First we have to write on x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit I have to take. We'll observe on y-axis 2, 1, 0, minus 1, and also here the values is 2, 0, minus 2, minus 4. This also normal, that we have to take on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. This is the scale of a given graph. I have to plot. So first I have to take their x-axis. The points is first. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. After I have to take this is minus 1. This is minus 2. This is minus 3. This is minus 4. This is minus 5. After that, this is minus 6. I have to take in y-axis. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This becomes 6. After I have to take negative y-axis. This is minus 1. This is minus 2. This is minus 3. This is minus 4. This is minus 5. After I have to take this is minus 6. Here we will observe in the first condition the plotted points is first one is 0, 2. We will observe 0, 2, where x-axis is equal to 0 means it must be on y-axis 0, 2. This is the point, name it as 0, 2. After I have to take 1, 1. X-axis we have to take 1 and also y-axis also take 1. This must be 1, 1. 1, 1. After I have to take 2, 0. 2, 0 means here y-axis must be 0 means it lies in x-axis. This we have to take the point 2, 0. After I have to take 3, minus 1. This is 3, this is minus 1. That I have to take, this is 3, minus 1. This is the first line. How to draw in this line by using a scale. The name of this line is x plus y is equal to 2. The points are, this is 0, 2, this is 1, 1, this is 2, 0, this is 3, minus 1. After I have to take the second line is first one 0, 2. Here x coordinate becomes 0 means it is lies in y axis. This is 0, 2. Already plotted this one. After I have to take 2, 0. Here x axis must be 0 means it is lies in y axis. This is 2, 0. After I have to take 4, minus 2. This is 4. This is minus 2. Plotted with them. This is name it as 4, minus 2. Finally, we have to take 6, minus 4. This is 6. This becomes minus 4. This is plotted at 6, minus 4. We will observe in this one. Here the points 0, 2 lies in already plotted point. 2, 0 also plotted in already plotted in a point, and also 4, minus 2 also plotted this one, and also 6, minus 4 also plotted in first linear equations in two variables. But both two equations are lies in only single line. Both two equations are lies in single line. That means the lines are coincidental lines. That means the given graph is a coincidental lines. These ask in this given problem. Two methods will be completed. One more method there in this method. I will explain that one. Next problem is 2x minus y is equal to 4 and also 4x minus 2y is equal to 6. We'll observe in this one. Solve this one. This way how to written as 2 into x plus of minus 1 into y plus of minus 4 becomes 0. We'll observe plus becomes this side, plus is minus. This way how to compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is must be is equal to 0. Where we have to compare it one, a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to minus 1, c1 is equal to minus 4. And also I have to take the second equation is 4x plus of minus 2 into y plus of minus 6 must be equal to 0. This we have to compare with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is must be is equal to 0, where a2 is 4, b2 is minus 2, c2 is minus 6. Once we have to check it the three conditions. What is the first condition means a1 by a2 does not is equal to b1 by b2. That means 2 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus and minus becomes cancel. 2 ones, 2 twos. That value is 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. This is does not satisfy. Why? Because of the first condition is a1 by a2 does not is equal to b1 by b2. But both are equal means this condition is not satisfied. Otherwise, we have to take the second condition. What is the second condition is 1, 2 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by minus 2 does not equal to minus 4 by minus 6. Minus and minus becomes cancel. 2 twos and 2 threes, minus and minus becomes cancel. 2 ones, 2 twos, that becomes 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 does not is equal to 2 by 3. First both conditions are equal, but third inequation is does not equal means when it is satisfies the second condition. We have to write the second condition. That means 2 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by minus 2 does is equal to minus 4 by minus 6. This is not is equal to minus and minus becomes cancel. Minus and minus becomes cancel. This we have to written as 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 does not is equal to 2 by 3. This we have to compare with a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 does not is equal to c1 by c2. Here it is satisfies the given condition. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 does not is equal to c1 by c2 means given equation has a inconsistent is a, so I am sorry, given equation is a inconsistent. When it is a inconsistent means it has a parallel lines. It has a parallel lines. Already we will discuss a1 by a2 does not is equal to b1 by b2 means it has a intersecting lines. After that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 does not equal to c1 by c2 means it has a parallel lines. Already we will discuss the third condition a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 means it has a coincidental lines. That is given in this problem. But We have to check it their values. The first condition is given 2x minus y becomes 4, that is y is equal to 2x minus 4. We have to take that, we have to written as x, y is equal to 2x minus 4, and also I have to take x comma y. How to take the second condition? What is given means 4x minus 2y must be is equal to 6. That means 4x minus 6 is equal to 2y. There y is equal to 4x minus 6 by 2. That way how to take x, y is equal to 4x minus 6 by 2. And also I have to take x comma y. We have to check it their values. First x we have to take 0. X we have to take 0. 2 into 0, 0. 0 minus 4 is minus 4. That is the given point is 0 comma minus 4 we have to take. Otherwise we have to take let x is equal to 2. 1 we have to take. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. That also take, and also given graph is parallel means we have to take their extended values are also that x is equal to 2. 2 to 4. 4 minus 4 must be equal to 0. That is the point is 2 comma 0. After we have to take let x is equal to 4. 2 fours 8. 8 minus 4 becomes 8 minus 4 becomes 4. That we have to take it as 4 comma 1. We have to take any point in this graph. The given graph is a parallel line, so we have to take any graph. And also we have to take let x is equal to minus 1 also take. 6 also take or minus 1 also take. I will take minus 1. But 2 into minus 1 becomes minus 2. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. That we have to written as minus 1 comma minus 6. Otherwise here we have to take let x is equal to 0 we have to take in this one. 4 into 0 becomes 0. Minus 6 by 2 is equal to minus 3. That way I have to take it as 0 comma minus 3. And also I have to take let x is equal to 1. 4 into 1 becomes 4. 4 minus 6 becomes minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 becomes minus 1. That way I have to take 1 comma minus 1. Otherwise we have to take let x is equal to 2. 4 2's 8. 8 minus 6 becomes 2. 2 by 2 becomes 1. That is the point is 2 comma 1. And also let x is equal to 3 we have to take. 4 3 is 12. 12 minus 6 becomes 6. 6 by 2 becomes 3. That is the point is 3 comma 3. Here two lines and also their points also there. We have to draw the graph. This is x, this is x dash, this is y, this is y dash. We'll observe in x-axis values 0, 2, 4, minus 1. Here 0, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. They are normal values means we have to take their scale. X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, or also follows we have to take the y-axis 4, 0, 4, minus 6, minus 3, minus 1, 2, 3. Here also normal values we have to take on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. How to plot the points? This is 0 comma 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. We have to plot it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. So I have to take on y-axis. This becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This I have to take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. We have to plot their points. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, as well as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But first I have to take in the first equation points. First one is 0 comma minus 4. X-axis is 0 means it must be on y-axis. It is minus 4 means that is lies in negative y-axis. This is 0 comma minus 4. I have to take this one 0 comma minus 4. After I have to take 2 comma 0. We'll observe in this one. Here y-axis is must be 0 means it is lies in x-axis. That is 2 comma 0 means this is the point 2 comma 0. After I have to take 4 comma 4. 4 lies in x-axis. Here the 4 is lies in y-axis. This is the 4 and also this is the 4. Here plotted the point is 4 comma 4. After I have to take minus 1 comma minus 6. Minus 1 comma minus 6. On x-axis is minus 1. Y-axis is minus 6. This is minus 1. This is minus 6. This we have to take the point. Minus 1 comma minus 6. We have to draw the line. This is the given line of 2x minus y is must be is equal to 4. After we have to take the second line. The first point is 0 comma minus 3. X coordinate must be is equal to 0 means it is lies in y-axis. Y-axis we have to take minus 3. This we have to take 0 comma minus 3. 0 comma minus 3. After we have to take 1 comma minus 1. X-axis we have to take, y-axis we have to take minus 1. That is plotted as 1 comma minus 1. After we have to take 2 comma 1. This is 2, this is 1. Plot it as 2 comma 1. After I have to take 3 comma 3. This is 3 and also this is also 3. Name it as 3 comma 3. This is 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. This is 3 comma 3. Join all the points by using a scale. The name of the given line is 4x minus 2y is equal to 6. This is the line L1. This is the line L2. L1 is parallel to L2. L1 is parallel to L2. Here the given equation is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 does not is equal to C1 by C2 means when it is a inconsistent. When it is a inconsistent means given lines are parallel lines, hence proved in this graph. This given graph is a parallel lines. That I have to ask in this problem. Now I am going to next problem. As well as same problem into this page number 79, that will be homework. Now I am explain example 1. Listen, Nana. What is given in this problem means check whether the given pair of equations represent intersecting or parallel or coincident lines. When the lines are intersecting means then the given condition is a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. And also what is given of parallel means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 does not equal to c1 by c2 and satisfies the given lines are parallel lines. And also coincidental lines means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. That must be where intersecting, parallel or coincident. And also what we have to find out in this problem means find the solution if the equations are consistent. ఇచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్స్ కన్సిస్టెంట్ అయితే వీటిని ఫైండ్ చేయమని అడుగుతున్నారు. అయితే ఐ హావ్ టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ వన్. 2x plus 1 into y plus of minus 5 is equal to 0. And also I have to take 3x plus of minus 2 into y plus of minus 4 becomes 0. Here we will observe. I will take the first condition, where the first condition is we have to write all the values. a1 by a2 is 2 by 3. Here we have to write in this one a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 3 comma b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by minus 2 and c1 by c2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 4. We'll observe in this one. First we have to check it, the first condition 2 by 3 is does not is equal to minus 1 by 2 is always, both are not equal means a1 by a2 does not is equal to b1 by b2. Why? Because of 2 by 3 is always does not is equal to minus 1 by 2. 2 by 3 does not is equal to minus 1 by 2 means it is a consistent. Given equations is a consistent. What asked in this problem means find the solution if the equations are consistent. When the equations are consistent means find the solutions of a given equation. That means given equation is a consistent. Given equation is a consistent means it has a intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. We have to follow the values. Don't draw the graph. We have to find out their solutions only. So we have to take x, y is equal to minus 5 becomes that side, minus becomes plus 2x becomes that side, plus 2x becomes that side, plus becomes minus 5 minus 2x. The point is x comma y we have to take. And also the second condition is 3x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, that is x equal to minus 2y becomes this side, minus becomes plus, the remaining term is 3x minus 4 is equal to 2y, where y is equal to 3x minus 4 by 2. That we have to written as y is equal to 3x minus 4 by 2. And also we have to plot their point x comma y. We have to take some points on x, then find y. Finally we have to write x comma y. First we have to take here 0, we have to take, that is y is equal to 5 minus 2 into 0 becomes 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. That we have to written as 0 comma 5. After we have to take let x is equal to 1. That means 2 into 1 becomes 2. 5 minus 2 becomes 3. that we have to written as 1 comma 3. After we have to take let x is equal to 2. That x is equal to 2 means 2 2's becomes 4, 5 minus 4 becomes 1. That means here it is 2 comma 1. Finally we have to take let x is equal to 3. 2 3 6, 5 minus 6 becomes minus 1. That is the point is 3 comma minus 1. Here we have to take some values. Here first we have to take let x is equal to 0. 3 into 0 becomes 0. 0 minus 4 by 2 becomes minus 2. That is plotted at 0 comma minus 2. After we have to take let x is equal to 1. 3 minus 4 becomes minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 becomes 0.5. After we have to take next value. This is also we have to take, but that is a decimal value. That is not correct. Okay, that is also correct. But we have to take something. That x is equal to 2, we have to take 3 to 6. 6 minus 4 becomes 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. That is plotted as 2 comma 1. After we have to take let x is equal to 4. 3 fourths 12. 12 minus 4 becomes 8. 8 by 2 is equal to 4. That is name it as 4 comma 4. Finally, after we have to take next one is let x is equal to 6. 3 6 18. 18 minus 4 becomes 14. 14 by 2 is equal to 7. That we have to take 6 comma 7. We know two values and finally draw their graph. When it is consistent means it has a intersecting lines. We have to follow the graph. The given lines is intersecting lines or not. How to draw their graph. This is x-axis, this is x dash, this is y, this is we have to take y-axis, y dash. Here we will observe in this one. On x-axis the points are normal. We have to take the graph. We have to write the graph. Here we have to take on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This we have to take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 we have to take. Y-axis also we have to take some more values. This is y-axis is lies in 7. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have to take the values of negative y-axis. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7 we have to take. But in the first graph, what is the given points means? First one is 0 comma 5 we have to take. Here x coordinate is 0 means it is lies in y-axis. That is 0 comma 5 we have to take this point. 0 comma 5. After we have to take 1 comma 3. In x-axis we have to take 1. Y-axis we have to take 3. This is the name it as 1 comma 3. After we have to take 2 comma 1. X-axis we have to take 2. Y-axis we have to take 1. This name it as 2 comma 1. After we have to take 3 comma minus 1. X-axis we have to take 3. Y-axis we have to take minus 1. That is, this is 3 comma minus 1. We plot these points. The name of given line is 2x plus y minus 5 is must be equal to 0. After we have to take the second line. What is the second line means? First one is 0 comma minus 2 I have to take. Here x coordinate is 0 means okay, it is lies in y-axis. Here first we have to take 0 comma minus 2. After we have to take 2 comma 1. On y-axis we have to take 2. X-axis we have to take 1. This is the point is 2 comma 1. After we have to take 4 comma 4. X-axis we have to take 4. On Y-axis also we have to take 4. This is the name it as the point 4 comma 4. And finally we have to take 6 comma 7. This is 6. This is 7. Name it as 6 comma 7. We follow the graph by using scale. This is the given graph. Name it as 3x minus 2y minus 4 becomes 0. Both lines are intersecting at the point 2 comma 1. By the problem, what is asked means given equations are consistent means it has intersecting lines are proved in a graph. These equations have to follow their intersecting lines by using these two equations. That is asked in this problem. Okay, students, how to write this one? Tomorrow, see you tomorrow.